Hello friends, welcome to the live session. So I have a lot of announcements to make, so we'll start. So this week we'll focus more on the TTK bootstrap, as we have discussed before also. So I hope you are able to understand the concepts what I am discussing, and if you are facing any issues, any doubt, any idea, suggestion, anywhere you got facing any problem, let me know. You put it in the comment section, or here also you can ask me. So friends, let others join also. I have 2-3 announcements to make. So yesterday two tutorials we have uploaded. Sorry, it is today two tutorials, and we have uploaded. One is about that process monitoring, how we combined all the different widgets, 5 different widgets monitoring 5 different parameters. We combined it into one platform, and that platform, because there one important issue is when you are combining 5 different widgets, you have to very much understand how the threading works, because each widget updates itself in 1 second gap. So if you one after another start updating, then the CPU RAM time, then it will come after 5 seconds, so it will freeze the application. So for that purpose the threading is used, and if you see that, so independently all the 5 widgets are working and they are updating their own database. So that is the way it is working. Sorry, not database, the main window it is updating. So all widgets update their values independently. That is the main reason why you are using threading, and this is a beautiful example to understand the threading. Just imagine if you can suppress the threading. Without threading, it will totally hang, because when you are using a delay of one second for every parameter to monitor at a frequency of 1 second, so it will hang the entire process. The main thread will or the main process will hang during that time, so nothing will get updated. So that is the reason here we are using threading, and it is a beautiful example of how to use thread in a practical application or in a Kinter application. This will give a beautiful example. Learn threading, and that will hope the your concept of threading will be better if you understand the code here. Try to toggle by using threading and by not using threading. You can see the difference. Take once a part of the widget also. Say CPU and RAM combinedly, these two you create one, and there you stop threading. Then you see that how the widget will freeze. That is one thing. In the second tutorial, we have created an application. Say an application is created by, or a executable code is created, so that by using PyInstaller. So beautiful. So independent of Python. So the application file or exe file is we are created, and that you can distribute it. So other your friends need not install Python to in their system to run the thing. So independently it can run. So you can also run it while working in some other application. You can run it. Distribute it to your friends and ask their feedback also. So these are the two things we have uploaded. Then one one short we have uploaded, that is about the meter widget, because now we will focus for 1 or 2 days, we will work more on the meter widget. So meter widget is something where it can work like it's a radial. You can see that it's like your car dashboard or a vehicle dashboard. So you can see the figure in that. It can work as a both ways. It can read a parameter and set you the value, say internal some process parameter, and it will be increasing and decreasing. Or as a user, we can use this to input our process parameters to the system. Say one example, today we are uploaded it. The link is there in the description. See that. Say I want to set a timer for 40 seconds, and it should show me the countdown till it reaches 0. Namaste Pratik. So it will show, and that countdown timer we are using our meter widget. So this works in both ways, taking the input or displaying the value. This both way, this, and this looks very nice also. That tutorial blog post was developed, and probably today night I will be completing the video tutorial, what you can see that. And probably tomorrow you can watch the video or tutorial of that one. But the blog is ready. I have left the comment in the comment section, and I can show you the demo of it now also. Please friends, hit the like button and tell your friends also to join. So this we are regularly coming at 7:30 and discussing about Python, database integration, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, HTML, all the stuff we'll be discussing. So ask your friends also to join. You can ask me questions. This is for a 10 minutes technical discussion about whatever the tutorials we are added or we are going to add, and if you have any doubt or suggestion or questions. Friends, please hit the like button also, and let's just watch the demo part of it, the meter widget where the countdown, I can set it as a countdown timer. So let me just check it up whether it is ready. Okay, I am here. You can, yeah, here it is. This is a small code, not a very big, and two functions are only two. That is the meter is kept it here. Now here is a little math question, because okay, let's first run it once and see, so you can have a better idea what we are going to discuss. See this. This is a meter. So it by using mouse I can increase or decrease the value. So it can work like a input. I can input some data to the system also. So this I am just using mouse and dragging it. Or what I can do is I will put it at here, say 6 seconds or somewhere. Okay, now I will hit the start. So it will start counting downwards from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and at 0 it will say it is over. So time over. So this is how this is a countdown timer. Now you can see this is a, let me just move it once more. Okay, fine. You see this is a totally a circle or 360 degree. So this circle has to be covered within a 60 second or 1 minute interval. So 360. So each segment of this has to represent 1 second. So out of this 360, when I have to divide, because 1 minute 60 seconds, so divided by 60, so 6. So each segment is covered 6 degree in angle. 360 divided by 60, so 6. So 6 is the each segment. So there are 60 segments are there because 60 seconds. So now considering that, you can see here the strip thickness is set at 6. Each segment thickness is 6. So that is the reason why, because total all the 60 into 6. So there are 60 segments, each segment 1 second. So or if you want to change the scale, make it a 1 hour, fine, do it. But this you remember how the each segment, this strip thickness, how you calculate, because it's a full circle. If you are taking a half circle, then you different. If you are not taking 360 degree, say 270 degree, like a car dashboard, you are taking something which has a arc and bottom part is open. So then also you take the total angle of total how much angle it has to cover and what's the total value, then divide it that and arrive at the strip thickness. And here you see interactive is true, means this works in both ways. Say I can, if interactive false means I can't move it by mouse. So here this interactive 2 is for that purpose. And whatever the value, whatever the data or whatever the value of it, I am reading it here. So by using amount used var and get. So this data every 1 second I am taking it, and that data I am reflecting it as the, here it is, you can see amount used. Amount used, the attribute of the meter which puts the radial meter or the pointer in that. So how much is used, say it's 10 seconds. So it will be decreasing in this case because this is a countdown timer. So it will 10, 9, 9, 8, 7, like that it will be coming. So that is how the amount used will be used. So this is the this is the one timer. So this meter, when you hit the start button, here is a start button is there. When you start button, it calls the function here, start countdown. So it calls this function, then countdown is function. This internally calls every 1 second it repeats, and here it is the after. This after function, 1000 means 1000 milliseconds, so it is 1 second. Every 1 second it calls the countdown. Again the same function, it is just looping only. So every 1 second this function is called once. So the countdown, so it decreases till the value of remaining time is as long as it is more than 0. Okay, more than or equal to 0. After that it will stop. Just keep on adjusting it based on your how much you want, whatever the value you want. Keep on changing this value, you will get it differently. Hope this will be a useful one. Another thing, this particular one, tomorrow you will get the video tutorial of this and how this thing work. Whatever I just explained to you, the same thing. Here you just try to learn one thing, because you are discussing about this ttkbootstrap. This provides us with 18 themes. Theme means the entire app will have its own look and feel. It's a dark theme, light theme, red, blue, yellow color, whatever. This is for the look and feel. So that theme, I can change the theme here, and this is superhero. They are like that. There are 18 themes are there. So I think right now I don't have anything. It may give me error message. Something I forgot the list. That list is there. In the tutorial you will get the entire list. Keep on changing that one, a dark theme, light theme and all. You will feel only this look and feel, no functionality change will be. Only the look will be changing, the colorful, whatever you want. In the subsequently, we will have developed our own customized theme. So our own theme. Say you are building an app for a brand. Say you must be seeing some brands maintain a consistent color across all the things. Say ICICI now it's giving an orange color advertisement. Nike is also giving, Adidas. Particular brands maintain some color themes. So you are building an app for that. You can have your own theme color also. And for that your theme, you can customize that theme and load it also. How to do that we will see subsequently. In the 1 or 2 days, once the meter and all are over, we'll go for that. So that's a good useful one. Let's just come back to see here. Okay, so friends, that's the main idea behind this session. So you can just put your questions here or doubt, and this is quite a useful. It looks good. One more thing I missed here, I will just let you know, but that is not there in the tutorial. Hopefully tomorrow or day after I will add that part also. There are 2 parts of this blog post. Let's first go to the blog post. Sorry, let me come here. Okay. Okay, here is in the blog post. I am here. Sorry, I am in my Visual Studio Code. You can see this. Now there is one more. Here what happens, based on the meter value, the color we can change it also. This is there are many tutorials who are already there. So what happens, the boot style, because this is across all the widgets you can use it. Boot styles can take the danger, warning, info, success. There are some 5 or 6 are there. So let's just see how that color changes with this. Say here is the same application, only one more function you can see to the left it is added. Now what happens, if I am moving it like above this takes the green value. If I am coming below, now blue zone. Now below that, below 20, I think it's yellow zone. And if I am coming below 10, it's the red zone. Got it? So you can just, let's start from here. When it is coming down, below 20 means it's yellow zone. So now again further coming down, once it reaches 10 or below it, so it will be taking the danger. The color will be red. So let's just see. Yeah, you can see 10 or below, it's danger. So like that you can assign different colors. You can see the left of it, get boot style, based on the value we are assigning different colors here. This also can be totally customized for your application. You want some other color, many things can be done. So this is the boot style. Now this is part 2. Now I will just show you quickly how you can download the source code. So let me just take you to the, let me just see that whether it is, yeah. This URL is there in the description. You can just download it. You can visit this page. Here you study this entire thing, and this is the first part. Copy to the clipboard. This part don't have that range color change part is not there. Simple timer, but it will have all this particular timer. You will get it at the top. This timer you will get it. Come down and copy it. If you want with the range color, then because this is based on different range, the color will change. What you can see, simple, the addition of another one more function only. Come down here and copy it. So these two will change your this is a better example for our how a boot style works. So this is hope you will able to understand this and enjoy this particular TTK bootstrap. We will further continue it and tomorrow also I will upload the other part of it where the colors are also changed. So that's, I feel that you will able to easily understand it and implement it. And note that we will be going for some customized colors also. So customized themes will be using. We'll see how to develop a customized theme, that also will work on it. So let's and I have some other application ideas also. This is because this timer is there. What you can do is, once the timer is, you can just set a timer for any application. Keep the left side one text box. You can enter multi-line text in that. So in the text box, it will be disabled. Moment you click the start button, then this will be enabled and you keep typing. Once the timer is over, this will again disabled. So it will not allow you further entry. So during that, it gives you a 50 or 30 second or whatever based on your setting, the keys to or data to enter. How you can say by that how many characters you have entered. So that with that you can say what is your typing speed. Okay, that is the idea. That application I hope I will able to show you a demo, or I will see how to develop that one, because these all triggers are there, because when it reaches 0 it triggers also. So those there the enabled text area will be enabled. But note that here we must use threading, because these two are independent. Otherwise what happens when the timer is running, this here the text area won't respond to me, because if I am not using threading. This is another example also. Friends, if you have any questions, we'll continue. Otherwise, we'll stop the session. Already 15 minutes over. And you please tell your friends also to join. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for all these technical discussions. Tell your friends also to join for daily 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We are coming online in the evening hours and discussing about all these tutorials, whatever we are planning to add or what we have added. So you can also contribute by suggesting if you are facing any issues, difficulties, or if you have any ideas. So based on that, many of the things we will also develop based on the feedbacks we get. So feel free to ask questions. You can ask it here or below the tutorials also. If you don't have any more questions, we can log out right now, or we'll stop the session. Hope you will join me tomorrow same time. Don't have any more questions. Thank you. Thank you friends for watching.